Hey guys, this is Lindsay Willis at the Rosen Law Firm. I'm here today to talk to you about a few quick tips on co-parenting. One of the most important things when it comes to being a successful co-parent is if you can keep your routine the same in both households. It's never going to be a mirror image, but to the best that you can. If your child is showering in the evenings at one household, they should shower in the evenings at the other household, right? We don't want to have an interruption or a disconnect in that schedule for your child. So staying consistent with your bathing routines, with your bedtime, to the best you can, having consistent time limits for screen time. What are the homework expectations? Again, we don't expect there to be a complete mirror image in both households, but the more we can have your child feel that things are substantially similar and the expectations are similar in both households, the better. The next tip is that your communication with the other parent really needs to kind of become more business-like. The more we take emotion out of it, the better success you're going to have as a co-parent. And that's really hard to do if you're having an emotional time, if you're recently separated, if there's been infidelity, if there's new relationships that are coming into play. It's really hard to take emotion out of it. But the more you can keep that communication focused on your child and what your child needs to succeed and take that emotion out of it, the better co-parenting success you're going to reach. Lastly, and this may come as a surprise to some people, but I think self-care is really important. So people often wonder, well, I'm going to have all this free time if I don't have my child with me 50% of the time. Well, that's a really good time for you to join a yoga studio or start picking up a hobby that you've always wanted to, or to join an online support group or whatever that you might kind of be interested in. Maybe make a standing appointment to have your nails done or to have a spa treatment or whatever might be good for you from a self-care perspective. So you will have more free time than you're used to, and instead of sitting at home and kind of feeling down or depressed about not being able to be with your child, if you do something positive, then that's going to carry you through into a better position to continue to succeed on that co-parenting path. This has been Lindsay Willis at the Rosen Law Firm. For any additional information about what we talked about today, feel free to go to our website or give our office a call.